My name's Tyler Dione, and I'm a production lead at Unimacts in Las Vegas, Nevada. I love what I do. This job means everything to me. The sun gives life to everything on earth, right? I mean, everything grows from the sun, and it's gonna come up whether we harness it or not. So the fact that we have to get to be a part of that and harness that and now power our homes and our vehicles and our food, and it's just super cool. I love metal, everything about it, working around it. So really it started with welding, and I've done other fabricating works, and so naturally I just kind of came into the manufacturing field that way. There's a lot of training that goes into it. There's a large learning curve, because our customers have certain specs and everything has to be perfect. It comes in as a coil, right? Goes to roll form. They roll it, cut it down to length, then they send it over to my department. And what my department does is we make a male end on it, we swage it, and then we drill it to spec according to whatever niche tracker or the customer wants. It's more than just a job, it's a family. I have a 15, an 8, and a 4-year-old. 3 beautiful daughters. They get clean, renewable, reusable, sustainable future for them where they can live in an environment that's clean. It's definitely the future, and I'm so excited to be a part of it.